Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, December 17th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You're looking at the Dow here. The Dow gained 149 points today, a fairly decent move. It was a little bit disappointing in that you can see what happened. We made the high the first 15 minutes, never took out that high. Never took out the low either. It just kind of flatlined after that. And because we got into quite a few positions, it would have helped if this would have moved higher. You can't have everything. We had a fairly decent day. Um, I'll just say my problem is I sleep weird and I get up really early in the morning. I go to bed very early, but I get up frequently at like 3 o'clock in the morning, and at 3 o'clock this morning, we had probably, I would say, around $13,000 in profits, and that is from being negative yesterday. So that really looked good. That kind of fizzled today. We still got out the day profitable, but just like yesterday, things look better at the beginning than when we got out. And this morning they looked a lot better in the pre-market. And then when the market opened, we saw a lot of those profits seem to go up in smoke. Anyway, that's trading. You got to live with it. We had 10 positions coming in today, and we closed out 9 of those with positive $2,300. That was our closeout. We got into 17 new positions, 11 positive and 6 negative, and we are holding just over $11,000 in positive open trade equity. It was funny. We had like between 10 and $13,000 positive all day long. It hardly changed all day. I'm not used to seeing that, but that's the way it went. And as I say, we're holding positive $11,000. I'll show you two of our positions today that was pretty good. This first one's pretty interesting. This is FUBO, FUBO, which is a FUBO TV. And we had bought this yesterday. This thing jumped up real strong there and closed pretty neutral yesterday for us, but it jumped up this morning and we exited FUBO TV with just over $3,000 in profit there. Then it kept moving and we got re-entered here, and we have about $3,000 open trade in FUBO. So adding together, we got over $6,000 there going in FUBO TV. Looks like a good trade. And then this has been quite a profitable move for us. This is MARA, M-A-R-A, which is Marathon Patent Group. And 3 days ago, we exited that with just a little trade, a few $100s, I believe, right here. And then we got re-entered and closed very profitable on that re-entry, and then popped up yesterday big time. And we got out of that with $17,700 in Marathon Patent Group. And then it pops up a little more, and lo and behold, we get re-entered, and that closed slightly against this. I showed you this chart yesterday. And then this morning, we went from negative to very positive on this gap up. held on to this thing. I think this was up around $10,000 right up there, but it pulled back quite a bit. But even with the pullback, we're up almost $6,000 still in Marathon Patent Group. So, we got $24,000 trade here going in the last 3 days. Looks really great, and I'm not too concerned about that pullback. But hey, you never know in this game. It's it's always interesting. So, pretty decent day. Few little disappointments, but overall we had a good day with $2,300 in closed out and over 11,000 in open trade going into tomorrow. I'll be back here tomorrow for Freaky Friday and hope that it's not too freaky.